Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This stunning home is located in the original Rhyne Park housing scheme St. James, consisting of 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with a single garage. If you're looking to invest or settling in with your family, then this is the perfect home. The interior is partially finished, but with your finishing touches, it will be perfect. The land area is approximately 5,081 square feet. Rhyne Park is located 25 minutes from Montego Bay and close proximity to Whitter Village Shopping Center, medical facilities, and other essential amenities. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 29 million or US $188.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.